Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Lee Kirby Comics here, and in this video I wanted to show you guys my tin toy collection, Christmas edition. Obviously today being Christmas, Merry Christmas everyone, by the way, Happy Holidays. I wanted to show you guys some recent tin toys I picked up, and also just my entire collection of tin toys. So let's get into it. First one here, Happy Santa with lighted eyes, really nice condition box. Really mint piece out, and as we'll see here, him in working condition. So you see it's a little creepy with his red eyes, but nevertheless it's really awesome. I really love that he plays the drums, really love the box art. It's just a super cool, super awesome, fun tin toy. So on to the next one that we will see here. Alright, next one here is a Charlie Weaver bartender. This is a really awesome one. You'll see him work in a second. He's in really nice condition. And as we'll see him play here. It is kind of hard to see on camera, but right here he's actually puffing out smoke out of his ears. So really, really awesome, really nice condition. That's definitely one of my favorite tin toys I have. Alright, next one here. Very awesome engine robot, smoking robot. This is a really mint piece. It's got all the inserts inside. It's an absolutely perfect box. Really mint robot, and all these tin toys in this video are pretty much all in the era of the 50s. Some are a little bit earlier, some are a little bit later, but they're all very old tin toys. So without further ado, here is him in working condition. So again, really awesome. It's kind of hard to see on camera again, but right at this one, he's puffing little rings of smoke out, kind of like it's seen on the box here. So that's that one. It's really, really, really mint condition. Really love this one. Alright, next one. Alright, this one is absolutely one of my favorites. It is a Space King machine gun. And here is the machine gun. This thing is freaking amazing. The box, it's amazing they even have the box. Really just awesome. And as you can see, this is just absolutely amazing for being this old of a toy. It's in really nice condition. But as here, we'll see how it works. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite ones. It's absolutely amazing, very awesome, very cool. yeah, it's awesome. So the next one, guys, is one that I actually did get for Christmas this year today. It is a very, very, very old machine gun. As you can see, it has a wood stock. It's got tons of great patina on it. It's just amazing. No batteries, no wind up. Is just classic, very vintage tin toy, basically. I mean, it's amazing. This thing's got to be from the 30s or 40s, and it's just incredible. What it does do is you twist this, and then you hold down on the trigger. That's basically what it does. It's incredible that this thing still even works. But yeah, this thing's amazing. I'm really excited about this, getting this for Christmas. It's just really awesome, especially go with my last tin toy that I just showed you guys. So there's that one. Alright guys, this tin toy, this next one is actually the first tin toy I ever bought about maybe like 3-4 years ago. It is the musical Jolly Chimp. Very nice box, and there he is with a mint condition with a tag still on. He is in just absolutely amazing condition. So without further ado, let's see him work. So as you can see, guys, yeah, he is just absolutely one of my favorite ones. My first one I ever got is just phenomenal to have this, and and to have it in such amazing condition, brand new with the tag. It's just awesome. I absolutely love this one. I love that he bugged his eyes out and snarls his teeth when you bop his head. It's just amazing. Really cool. Alright, and the very last one, guys. This is actually my favorite tin toy I own, and it is actually my favorite Christmas present I got this year. It is the Piggy Cook. Very nice box, as we can see, and an even nicer, perfect, beautiful paint, beautiful everything Piggy Cook to go inside of the box. He is just absolutely beautiful. The paint on his cheeks is amazing. Just everything about him is just like totally fresh out of the box. And as we'll see him work, you'll see why he is my favorite. He does miss sometimes. There he goes. So you can see he peppers the eggs and bacon, flips it on his lighted stove, and makes little piggy noises. So yeah, that is absolutely my favorite one I own. It's just absolutely incredible, amazing. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be all for this video. Again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas to everyone. I wish you just great new year. It's had a great year this year with this YouTube channel. I really appreciate all you guys liking, commenting, subscribing. It's amazing. So yeah, that's going to be all for this video, guys. Make sure to hit that like button down below if you enjoyed watching. Comment your thoughts down below. Comment actually which one of these tin toys is your favorite. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see all my future comic book videos. But I may sprinkle some different videos like this one in there too. So yeah, guys, that's going to be all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.